Welcome back. What I've got going on here is I went and picked up myself a 18 horsepower V-Twin Vanguard, Briggs Stratton. I'm just beginning to start cutting and putting this into a mini bike. I had to dent this frame up pretty bad, but I'm going to put a gusset up here and reinforce all this. So that's not anything to worry about. I'm going to go from here and bridge this all together. And then put a couple braces in here and put another one in here. And beef it up, put a couple plates underneath it. But currently we have no headers. Got nothing. So I'm going to run these guys out. Run them over and down and out into one single 2-inch exhaust. And I've been trying to figure out what I'm going to do for a gas tank, and I'm thinking that I'm going to get a 1-gallon jerry can, military style, 1 or 2, something like that, and bolt it onto the side, like the green ones or the red ones, the all metal ones that are flat, and bolt that on there, onto the side there to just kind of make it look like a military kind of bike. But yeah, well, I'm sure you want to hear it run, so. Mind you, it is not tuned up very good. Took the air cleaner off of it and it's running pretty lean at the moment, but I've gotten it richened up a little bit, but not much. And no governor. I am going to put a pull start there and get rid of that. Yeah, that's what I got going on. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Crazy Builder 141 signing off.